Girl,
Hey.
how's it going?
I'm stressed. I don't have a whole lot of time to eat today because of my class schedule. It's a great time.
Well, you can get an on-the-go meal from Kramer, right?
What do you mean?
Well, we have this reusable box program, and so if you sign up on the online form
Yeah.
and then you go show it to the check stand,
Okay.
they will give you a carabiner, and then you go turn your carabiner in, get your reusable box, and the next time when you bring back your clean box, they'll give you a carabiner, and you just get to keep doing that.
That's so convenient. I'm gonna have to do that because I have time right now, but not much later.
Well, now you can go get your lunch, and then you can swipe back in and get your on-the-go meal. Oh, this is actually it right here.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, it's so easy.
It is. Thanks.
Okay, so you got your email?
I do.
Okay, now you can just show it to her,
Here you go.
and she'll give you the carabiner.
Wait, so what's next after this?
All right, so you just go drop it in those like boxes with the purple lids,
Okay.
and then they'll get you your box. But I actually have a class I gotta go to, so I'm gonna head out. Do you have any questions?
No, I think I got it. Hi, I have the on-the-go carabiner.
Okay, just put it in here. What bread would you like?
White, please.
Okay, do you want it toasted?
No, thank you.
What can I get on that for you?
Turkey and American, please.
Okay. Anything else?
Just lettuce and black olives.
Hey, just remember when you bring this back, wipe out the extra food in the trash and then rinse it out.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye, thank you.